then I would like to invite this August House to a real issue of privatization of the airport. Honorable Chairman, recently the government has decided to award airport to the private parties in the name of development of airport infrastructure development. The government is selling of the airport Adani. There is an international attempt from the government to nepotism, help their crony capitalist friends. The government is paving red carpet for monopolization of airports in the country. Till now, Adani Group won bids to operate and manage development of 6 airports: Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Bangalore, Jaipur, Guwahati, and Thiruvananthapuram. The Adani Group is all set to acquire 74% stake in Mumbai International Airport also. That is what the media report is coming. I would like to point out that there is a clear violation of norms and regulations in giving airports to a single private entity. This clear scam of public money, in this process, the government has violated all rules. First of all, the government has ignored the advice given by some of its own ministries and departments while taking this decision. It is clear that the changes in the norms enabled the Adani Group to win all the 6 bids. The recommendation made by the Department of Economic Affairs, DEA, in the Ministry of Finance and the Niti Aayog on the technical, financial and legal aspect of the bidding process were ignored by the government. No doubt, the conditions were changed to favor the Adani Group. As we all know, in 2018, the government tried to amend the Airport Economic Authority of India, Regulatory Authority of India Act 2018, ERA Act 2008. The bill introduced by the government wanted to change the way tariffs were determined completely. The bill wanted to award the rights to oversee airport operations to private players. But the government failed to pass the bill in both the House. On November 8, 2018, a meeting of the Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Modi gave its in-principle approval to the proposal by the PMO to lease 6 airports for development in PPP model. Following this, an empowered group of secretaries, headed by the Chief Executive Officer of the Niti Aayog, was constituted at the meeting to oversee what is essentially a process of privatization. Other members in the EGOs included the Secretary of the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the DEA, and the Department of Expenditure. With the bill still pending in Parliament, the government invited bid for upgradation of the 6 airports on December 14, 2018. Following this, the DEA of the Ministry of Finance raised several issues. I have the copy of the minutes, sir. I have the copy of the minutes. From the minutes I am quoting. It is stated that neither the Airport Authority of India nor the Ministry of Civil Aviation had submitted details of the breakup of project cost to the PPPAC for its consideration. The PPP cell of the DEA recommended that since their 6 airport development projects are highly capital intensive, a clause should be incorporated that not more than 2 airports would be awarded to a single bidder because of the high financial risk involved and the need for stringent adherence to performance indicators. The DEA were also suggested that in the case of there was a project failure, there would be other capable bidders available to take on the failed projects. The DEA specifically mentioned that when private companies bid for the development of the airports in Delhi and Mumbai airport, this was happened in UPA period, the contracts to develop both the airports were not given to the same bidder. That time the GMR Group was the only qualified bidder. Then also they didn't get Delhi and Mumbai. The department also cited the example of privatization of the power distribution network in Delhi, wherein contracts were given to more than one bidder. Sir, the Niti Aayog specifically suggested that request for proposal, RFP, should include criteria to measure the experience of the bidder in developing airports, terminal and related sectors. Curiously, none of the recommendations made by either the DEA or the Niti Aayog were included in the bid documents. You have to understand, sir, the Public-Private Partnership Appraisal Committee constituted by government decided to go along with the decision of EGOMS that prior airport experience not to be made prerequisite for bidding and post-bidding requirement. Why this violation happened, sir? For whom it has happened? Only to favor for their a company, only to favor a company. This all bypassing of the norms and guidelines has happened, sir.
Please go.
Therefore, there's a move to monopolize the Indian airports. In future, you can see that entire airports of India will owned by only one company. Crony Capital. How can we allow, sir? How can we allow this, sir? Therefore, many industries also complained that the timeline for the entire bidding process was extremely short given. The request for proposal was issued on December 14, 2018.
Please conclude,
and the
Venugopal ji.
bid
Honorable
submission date
Venugopal ji,
was
please
set-
conclude. Please conclude.
set February 6th. I am concluding, sir. Therefore,
Please let him speak, sir.
Sir, I am speaking.
Please let
This is
him.
my maiden speech, sir. This is my maiden speech, sir. Please
Please
allow me,
conclude.
sir.
Please
Please allow
conclude.
me, sir. I am speaking with facts only, sir. I am
Right, sir, but
speaking with
you have
facts only.
two speakers from your party. You have already taken time. It's only 1 minute. Please conclude.
There were also anomalies in the eligibility terms and conditions set by AIA for bidders. If, for instance, the minimum technical and financial capacity for qualifying bidders were surprisingly identical. How can it, sir? The airport of Jaipur is different between airport of Thiruvananthapuram. The same clause, sir, everything same clause in the
Please conclude
condition
now.
is
Please conclude.
identical. How can it be happen, sir? One more thing I have told you. Now the Airport Authority of India become AAA, Airport Authority of Adani. That is.
Thank you.
AIA become AAA. That is the move by this government, sir. Sir,
Thank you now.
one more
Your
thing.
time is over now,
One more
please.
thing. Yes, sir, I elected from Rajasthan. I came from Kerala. This Trivandrum and Jaipur also included in this 5 airports. Because you have to understand,
Your time
the
is
land was
over.
given by the state government.
In fact-
The land was given by the state government. In Rajasthan, land was given by Rajasthan government. In Kerala, land was given by Trivandrum, land was given by Kerala government. The concern
You
of
are
the state
taking time
government
of your own
has not
party
been
man. So
taken
please-
care.
please, Venugopal ji, please conclude.
Both the state government oppose this movement.
Please.
But government not taken into consideration of the state government.
Please
Then
conclude
what is
now.
the federal system, sir?
Please
For
conclude.
selling this airport, what is the system? Kerala Assembly unanimously passed a resolution. Kerala Assembly. There is
Please-
sir,
please
we are
conclude
not
now.
against
Your time
PPP
is
model.
over.
We are not against PPP model.
You are taking
can see
time of your own
one
party
of the
man.
best example of PPP model in Kochi International Airport.
Please
There,
conclude.
Chief Minister is the chairman. CEO is the person appointed by the Chief Minister. Government is running the
You know we
airport.
have limited
That is
time.
the best
Already
PPP
Honorable
model.
Chairman has told.
Minister
Please
is talking
conclude.
about the Kochi model. You
Please
have to
conclude
study
now.
Kochi model. What is the Kochi model?
Please.
Kochi model Chief Minister is hearing.
Thank you.
Kerala government is already offered that.
Thank you.
Therefore,
Venugopal ji.
I am asking for an enquiry of these things. This is a clear case of corruption.
Thank you.
This is a clear case of corruption, sir.
Thank you.
I am asking for an enquiry. With these words, I am concluding, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.